My name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy rights versus publicity rights. So sometimes people get these two things confused, but I thought it would be great if we can actually talk about this. So when people talk about privacy rights, a privacy right is a right not to share. So meaning you have information about yourself. There may be laws, regulations, rules that are in place that means that you are not forced to share that information with other people. Publicity is very different. So the publicity is the right to control the commercialization of your name, image, and likeness. So it's kind of like a right to share, but it's related to commercialization. So if someone wants to use your name, image, likeness, especially if it is for a profit purpose, your permission is needed to be able to do that. Typically, when we talk about publicity, you think about a notable person, a celebrity, someone who uses their image and likeness for some type of commercial purpose. I tell people, like, for example, a celebrity gets divorced, they always say, respect my right to privacy, not respect my right to publicity, right? So I think these are two different things, but there's a lot more mature law, in my view, around the publicity part of kind of data sharing as opposed to the privacy part. What we're starting to see, especially with the rise of not only the internet and social media, but people that maybe had not in the past really had that need for the right to publicity because perhaps they are an influencer or they do something special that they commercialize. Being able to protect their image is also important. I think what we're seeing is a lot of shifts where people are really trying to use publicity for more control of their image, to be able to say what gets shown about them, what gets shared about them, especially if it is something that could possibly harm their image or harm their income or their ability to make money. But this is a debate that happens a lot. I've heard it on LinkedIn, and I've had chats with my friend Leonard Lee about this. I think these are kind of two opposite spectrums of rights around data. So one is about not sharing, and one is about sharing, but also being able to protect your name, likeness, and image for commercial purposes. That's it. Thank you.